Okay, today I'm going to show you a favorite dessert of ours, grapefruit and milk, condensed milk. So this is a grapefruit. I already peeled it. See the skins? I already peeled it. So now I'm going to strip it like this. Let me show you. Just want to do something like this. And then just strip it. So peel it, get under there. Let's do that. So it's simple. And get on all sides. See, just do it all the way around. Don't worry about it. I know it looks messy right now, but you're gonna be surprised what I'm gonna do. Alright, so do that. Every one of them. Now, get a clean dish. And then, use a knife and just price it out. So that's that. Don't worry about the seeds, we're going to take it out next. So, once you're through with all of them, just go through and see if there's anything that you left behind. You don't want to waste it. And these are bitter. Although I understand that this is good for you, good for. I don't want to talk about stuff I'm not so sure about, but yes. So once you go through and take out everything, this they say is good for something like disease or cancer, but I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna say anything. So make sure that everything is so this is what you want. So now patiently go through and take out the seeds. Patiently, because this have a lot of seeds. Yeah, so make sure all the seeds are out and any of the bitter piece like this. So that's it. It took me less than a minute to take out every single thing. So that's it. So now we're gonna add the milk. See, this was a waste. So to one grapefruit we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. If you want it sweeter, taste it first and you can add more. Now once you do that, stir it in. That's it. So this is grapefruit with condensed milk. Tastes nice. As children, if you're true Jamaican, you grow up on them type of thing. Yeah. So this is it. Tastes really good. Now once you do that, stir it in. That's it. So this is grapefruit with condensed milk. Tastes nice. As children, if you're true Jamaican, you grow up on them type of thing. Yeah. So this is it. Tastes really good. Grapefruit and condensed milk. Jamaican. One of our dessert. Grapefruit and condensed milk. Jamaican. One of our dessert.